Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product traffic cataclysm. So this is the dashboard of Cataclysm and I am in the members area now. So this product is all about video tutorial course and also some given resources. Okay, so this is not an automated software, but this is a totally tutorial course, a knowledgeable course, a powerful course. Okay, so before getting into the review, let me clear you what kind of bonuses I am giving you. What is the one of the main purposes to show you the video, to making the video. Okay, so I am giving you $6,397 custom bonuses, but this bonus is totally an approximate value. Okay, so I will tell you why I am telling is it is an approximate value. Okay, so I will cover up the bonus part later, but let me start with the review now. So as you can see, this is a totally video tutorial course, and let me now give you a brief overview of this tutorial, brief detail of traffic cataclysm. So this tool is, or this video course is all about getting high commission. High commissions means you have to sell, or you bound to sell high ticket products. Okay, so you can utilize your FB account, or you can use your other social media handles to get the high ticket product, to get the high ticket product sale, to get the customer for high ticket product, to get high ticket commission. Okay, so they are giving this kind of training. Let me name the title. So the first title is overview of Facebook content marketing, the next one is organic marketing sequence, and the next one is optimize your social media channel, finding buyers, building your audience, and the next one is creating your content, how to plan your content in the easy way, how to get massive engagement on social media, how to warm up Facebook algorithm for maximum result, over the shoulder process, organic marketing, and 30-day challenge. They are also giving this, and for some of the videos they have given the tutorial. As you can see, this video is literally very much lengthy. Okay, so that means I am not saying I have not gone through this exact video, but I have gone through some of their videos, and videos are really knowledgeable. Okay, that's why I will show you also what kind of ratings I have given this tool. Okay, this tool is literally insane, and they have given just very enormously powerful knowledges. Okay, so they have also given some bonuses, kind of how to sell via direct message conversion, how to literally sell anything directly from your Facebook social media account, examples, marketing big high ticket products. Okay, and live calls with their students. Okay, this guy has students, so many students. Okay, so this guy has so many students, and he made live call with his students, and he just give up the he just given the video. Okay, sorry, my English is a little bit poor. Try to small copy that. Okay, so this is all are the upsells, and this kind of things you are getting inside this. So nothing much to say about this tool. Now let me show you the bonuses. So this is a meme created by me, cause I always a little bit laughter on your face. Okay, and also meme can say thousands of words, more than thousands of words, and you can just get this tool, about this tool, what kind of tool is a summarification of this tool. Okay, that's why I always create meme. Okay, so this is the cover image, and should I tell a fact about software here? Okay, let me tell you a fact that software was the software development or software kind of thing, or maybe the software stuff has been created or has been introduced in the year like 1815, and the Ada Lovelace. Okay, Ada Lovelace was the first woman who introduced the software, and after developing this type of software has been we are getting now. Okay, so this is the content value. You can see 99%, and value for money it has got 97%, which both of them are superb, and obviously the overall is also good. I never consider market hits inside the overall, and obviously it has got 9.8, the average of these tools. So this is also amazing. So this tool is literally very cheap. As you can see, 12.95 bucks, and this is the button which can redirect you to the software and also the bonuses. So there are all of the stuffs about the all of the description about this product, and these are the owners. So I highly recommend any expert or newbie online earner to get this tool. Okay, so these are the sales funnel. You can go through them by visiting this page easily. Let me just clear you the title. Cataclysm hack, coming within $47, and the downsell costs $37. 7x income coming within $97, and the downsell costs $67. Unlimited traffic costs $197, and the downsell costs $97. Done for you income funnel costs $147, and the downsell costs $97. Reseller rights costs $97, and downsell costs $67. Okay, so these are the bonuses. This is the main part, one of the main parts to show you, to which I am very much eager to show you. And there are some images given, and there are some for some of them there have been given some description and also the images. So here, do you know that Tiger has an obsession to some kind of to a individual or identical perfume? Okay, so specifically the perfume name is Calvin Klein's perfume Obsession. Okay, so this perfume is made for men, and photographer just use this perfume to attract the tigers and take a good snap of tigers. Okay, so this is the bonuses secret. Okay, so after 50 bonuses, I have put here 300 plus mega bonuses as mega bonuses. So these bonuses are also kind of same like this, as I have put the 50s as an example. So you can get this tool and you can get this kind of bonuses easily from my side once you have brought the product from my side. Okay, it is very clear. And inside these bonuses there are so many softwares and plugins, SEO stuff, software, and video case studies on PDF. Everything are put gathered in one place. And also I have newly introduced their images and musics. Okay, so copyright free musics, kind of 25 plus music I think, and more than 10,000 plus images. Okay, there are quote images also and social media images also. So you can get this tool and also the bonuses easily from my side by clicking these buttons. And what you have to do there, after purchasing the product, you have to go to your purchase history, and there you can get this button, affiliate access bonus, and by clicking this button you will be redirected to my bonuses. Okay, so that was the overview of this product, and that was the review. I'm wrapping up now, so I'm signing out. Bye bye.